think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty.
Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy and today we have some cleaning motivation. Also, I'm going to get around to eating that broccoli soup today. So I will show y'all that, and I'm probably going to make some coffee even though it is almost 1 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and read a comment from one of my previous videos, and then we are going to jump right into this cleaning video. I have some laundry to fold, living room and kitchen to pick up, so I hope this motivates you today. But this comment is from Lisa. It says, a big hello from West Virginia. I'm a homemaker now too. Married 20 years this year. Congratulations. Your husband is blessed to have you with all you do for him. Thank you so much. And I am very blessed to have him too. Because if it was not for him, I would not be able to stay home. So I appreciate y'all a lot for leaving your comments, and we're going to jump right into this clean with me. Like I said, I hope it gave you some motivation, and let's go ahead. Let's do this, shall we?
But you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You
Alright, so here is my kitchen now. Dishes are drying. I'm making taco salad again tonight because I just can't help myself. I just used this Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner. It is in the wildflower scent. It smells pretty good, y'all. So now I'm going to move on to the living room. Also, our bathroom door's in here because we are working on our bathroom right now. So hopefully I'll have that video out soon. Aaron got the floor down, so now all we have to do is put the tile on the floor. So I'm super excited. Then I'll be painting it white. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave it in a little thing right here for y'all. And it's linked down below. But I have like a really good plan for the bathroom. And it's going to be a rustic farmhouse feel. So super excited. Let's move on to the living room now.
Just give me, give me a try, give me a try, give me a try. Just give me, give me a try, give me a try, give me a try. Just give me, I can't deny I can't deny You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist. We always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts. We always say it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that.
Alright, y'all, so I know you can see my little table over here. Look at all this stuff. You know what this comes from? My bathroom. It's pretty much our bathroom on the table. We don't eat on this table or anything. It's just for looks. And normally there's nothing on the table, but right now I've got my floor. This is Traffic Master Peel and Stick, and I'm doing like a marble finish. So cool. I love it. It was $20-something for that. Then of course I've got the self-stick stuff. But yeah, this is all my bathroom stuff. Like I said, that is our bathroom door. So I'm probably going to be painting that white. I'm going to paint the bathroom white. My plan for the cabinets is to be either gray or white. I may do gray because the countertop is going to be that white marble. They have some peel and stick adhesive that you can put on your countertops just straight over them. So I'm going to do the same, just like this pattern, on top of the counters that were green. I think it's going to look really good. But now I'm ready. I love this. I'm so ready to eat lunch. And because I organized my cabinets, I knew exactly where this soup is. It's the broccoli and cheese. So happy. Alright, y'all, so I have my lunch. Not pretty at all because I don't have pretty bowls, but I just have the broccoli soup and a beef stick. Well, actually it's turkey. And my coffee, and I'm using Almond Joy from International Delight. I really like that one, so let me know what kind of coffee creamers you like. But I hope today that y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here tomorrow for Friday's video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but hopefully it's a good one. So I will see you back here then, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.